What would you say are the most important aspects of the services your field consultant provides you, and what changes would you make?
I think just being that connect between us and the corporate, between us and the 7-Eleven systems. I think that has become so much critical the last couple of years, where we lost contact with, let's say, the accounting department, with accounts payable. When the financials come out, sometimes we have a problem we need to fix and we know we're owed money. We are at a loss on how to fix it. So that's where the field consultant's job becomes that much important, to communicate between us and the corporate to get those problems resolved. And that makes us feel as franchisees that, hey, there is somebody out there to talk to. We can reach out to our field consultant and he can get problems fixed for us. Also, just really communicating with us, communicating on, if not daily basis, communicate on a weekly basis like we have been doing. The sales meeting that we have had in the past also have proved to be very effective. That way we can plan ahead and have the product ready, which is something we have not experienced in the past. Okay, this is the change that I would like to see done. When we do the quality visits or the inspection in specific, to be really consistent with that week in and week out. And I think that builds a trust relationship that we know when our field consultant comes in, he's going to be looking at it from a customer point of view, what the customer sees that the store looks like, and instead of maybe looking under the equipment all the way under there, oh, there is a spot under there, you know what I mean? Just look at it from what the customer sees, and we have no issue fixing those problems as we go.
The most important service at 7-Eleven in this franchisee-franchisor relationship is having a business partner that's looking out for you. The biggest part is, and the reason that, all the years that I worked on the other side of the fence, it was that you had somebody that was watching your back, somebody that was looking after the dollars and the cents. And this system is so sophisticated these days with what we're scanning and all the bill back and all of the allowances and all the things that other companies, other franchise folks just don't have. So having somebody that's there that can look out for it and make sure that everything's getting processed correctly, it takes a load off of a business operator so they can go out and meet the customers and have the interaction and grow their sales. What changes would I make would be probably the timeliness of follow-up. A lot of things happen. I mean, this is a big, huge organization, and sometimes things come up and they're little things that aren't, may not be a big deal, but sometimes they're pretty significant. And there should be an expectation that the follow-up back to me, as the person out here on the front end of the stick, would get better, more timely follow-up. And I think that the problem is the field consultants are as frustrated as franchisee store operators are, because they may not be able to get the answers that they need to be able to get back to us, and they lose some credibility. The culture has changed at 7-Eleven significantly, but so you have to rely on people to get answers to you before you can provide answers to the people that you're serving. So, timely follow-up.
Well, I think when my field consultant walks in the door, he needs to be focused on making me money and increasing my gross profit. Because when I make money, then he makes money and the company makes money. And that's the most important thing to me, is to grow my business with the help of my field consultant.